Hey guys! And welcome back sa aking channel. So, we're getting ready na. Kasi, 5, mamayang 5, mag-start na yung fashion show nila Madam. So, naka-makeup na din si Madam. And kami lang 4 na iwan dito guys. So, yung iba umuwi na sila. Kasi, pagod sila. And mag-rest sila para mamaya na naman na
inom ulit.
Kasi merong banda ulit mamaya sa farm guys. So, ayan, nakaready na ang aming mga gamit.
Maglaw doon ang bulak.
Dako man ka na ni Inday daw. Wala na naglaw.
Patay niya ito. Sa iyong kagandahan.
Ayan guys, alis na kami.
Winner.
Salamat po.
Ayan guys, so it's 4 PM na. And we're here na at Lemken Kai Lapsok. Alam, relax. Lemken Kai. We're at Lemken Kai Mall. So we're here na guys at Lemken Kai Mall. And by 5 PM, mag-start na yung fashion show nila Madam or Max.
Ang model. Wala na ito. Wala.
Or easy. And then okay, again, alam niyo
So dito gaganapin guys ang kanilang fashion show.
Group 1, yung practice natin na right after your solo, hindi na po kayo dito tatambay, doon na po sa likod. By din pagsunod pa nito na. You can watch on streaming para mapanood yung nangyayari kasi naka-live stream mo naman tayo ngayon. So you don't need to go out to watch. You turn on your phone and then you watch. Pwede po siya. Ano pa ba? Everyone sa mga mag-perform, okay. Hindi ko kayo ilalagay. Everybody po, listen. Sa mga hindi po kasali nag-rehearsal kahapon, doon po kayo next kung nag-rehearsal, ha? Para alam niyo yung gagawin. Ano? At dito, tapusin niyo siya. Safety, kung nasa outer ka, you finish it. Yeah. Check po natin sa LCD. Kita po sa LCD. Until dito lang. Ang LCD. LED, sorry. Yay! Practice po tayo ngayon ng group 1. So, attention group 1, ha? Game. Dito lang. Focus ako.
Ayan. Nandito na kami
Off muna po.
kasi for the
And
look mo to.
1, 2, sabay-sabay. Juices po natin, spotlight, and on. Boom. At wala pa Muriel, go. Kanta-kanta. Wala pang music, pero sana meron.
Magpabuhok sa katalikod.
This is Max on the Catwalk 2025. And
Guys, they're having their rehearsal muna bago magsimula ang
butas na butas ang dami. Anyway, ibig sabihin maraming link.
Singer and comedian from GMA, Pride of Cagayan de Oro. A resounding round of applause here to Muriel Lamadilla.
Is it okay if I sing one more song? But I want you guys to sing and dance with me. Is that okay? Let's go, let's go. Here we go. Let's go. I'm a beat. The tension won't even touch my time. Telling me that you really want to watch my head. Talk this shit. Show me that you understand my life. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body. If I give you my time, can you snatch myself from me? I don't wanna wait. Don't take me where I ain't been before. Can you blow my mind? Set up my whole body, whole body. Make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me harder, make me sweat, make me harder, make me lose my breath, make me water, make me lose my breath, make me water.
My big brother all-in winner, a football player, professional model, Brazilian, Japanese, and may pusong Pinoy. Ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our host, Mr. Daniel Matsunaga.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, to all the distinguished guests, to all the lovers of fashion and style. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Kamusta na ba kayo? Are you guys okay? I am super okay. I'm super excited to be back here in Cagayan. Alam nyo, a few weeks ago I was here and I performed also a few songs. Pero after Muriel did this performance, grabe, napakagaling. No? So, since my sore throat ako, host na lang ako today. Is it okay ba? So, tonight, there are more than 250 models in the back, ready to make this night even more beautiful. So I just want to say, we'll tell a story. And every step on this runway is a statement of passion, of culture, and of the boundless beauty of self-expression. So, sit back, indulge your senses, and let the lights, the music, and the artistry take you on a journey through style, glamour, and imagination. This is Max on the Catwalk 2025. Enjoy.
Miss Universe Philippines 2025, first runner-up, and one of the newest ambassadors for MAGS, ladies and gentlemen, Teresita Winwin Marquez.